In this tutorial, I'm going to run through our periodic job features. So if you've got a lot of regular service work, regular maintenances, and you want jobs to fire at certain periods, this is going to make your life a lot easier. I've seen businesses that are coping with over 100 jobs a month that are firing, and they're still organising and doing this work via paper only. So this is going to automate that process and save a lot of time and heartache and mistakes. So here, where you can add a job on the left-hand side or add a job here, we are also going to dispatch this job to a staff member while we're here as well. Let's say we're going to call this Gary Sobers. The client is going to be the West Indies, of course. Here, we're a periodic job. We've got different statuses in eBoss for closed, requires follow-up, archive, retention jobs, and the like. So we've got a periodic job. We're going to fire it every 3 months. Now we need two important bits of information. The first bit is we need to tell the software when we want it to start, and the second important one is the end date. So here, let's assign it to someone while we're here as well. So we're going to assign it to the staff member. You'll have proper names there, of course. Scheduled to begin, let's put the 1st of November. End date, let's say you've signed a 3-year contract and you're going to go there every 3 months to do this work. So we are just going to put that date in there. We'll change that to 2021. We've assigned it to a staff member. I've just taken some text from Wiki. You can move that box. It doesn't matter if you don't. It is going to all come up on A4 in the PDF that gets sent. So we've got the job 379 created. So we'll go in here. Quick look at the job, snapshot. You've got photos and files you can put on there, purchase orders, labour expenses, etc. We're going to generate the job sheet, which is going to input all these details, address and everything for our staff member. And we just come down here and we email the job sheet off to the staff member. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for your time.